Here I have OPPO A12, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the battery section, and here you have power saving mode. Here you can switch it. You can also select which restrictions will be allowed and which not. For example, reduce screen brightness, set auto screen off to 15 seconds, disable background synchronization. You can also change it to turn off automatically when the battery is charged up to 16%. And you can also change it to turn on automatically when the battery is on a specific battery level, which you can set for yourself, for example 25%. And you can also switch power saving mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.